Hi everyone, welcome to Scenico. Let's have a look at this our incredible rolling screen. All the screens in our booth I use this one. You can have a look this. This is our rolling gate. One key operation. So it's suitable for classroom, conference room, meeting room, for schools, many places. When you do not need a screen, you can hide. And this one is our floor screen. I will show you how to connect the screen very fast. In the floor, there is just 5 pieces rolling floor. One rolling floor is 1 meter by 3.5 meters. You can see in the screen, between the screen and the screen, there is no gap. And also, the screen can attach on the wall directly. So, no cabinet, no structure. And here is our outdoor loading screen. It is waterproof IP68. This is our indoor loading floor. It's also waterproof.
You can say your website.
Our website is www